In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Google Slides, making your presentations more dynamic and visually appealing. Rotating text can help highlight important information and add an extra layer of creativity to your slides. So, let's dive right into the different methods you can use to achieve this effect. To begin, let's explore the first method, using the rotation handle. Start by clicking on the text box that you wish to rotate. You'll notice a small blue circle at the top of the selected text box. This is your rotation handle. Simply click and drag this handle to manually rotate the text to your preferred angle. This intuitive method allows you to have precise control over the rotation, and you can adjust it easily to get just the right positioning for your text. Now, let's move on to the second method, which involves using the Format menu. Once again, start by selecting the text box. Head up to the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Format. Under this menu, you'll find the Rotate option. Here you can choose from various preset options, such as rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. There's even an option for custom rotation, allowing you to specify an exact degree of rotation if you have a specific angle in mind. This method is especially helpful if you need your text to align precisely with other slide elements, or if you're following a style guide. Finally, let's discuss another efficient approach, using the right-click menu. Begin by clicking to select your text box. Right-click and a context menu will appear. From this menu, navigate to the Rotate option, where you can select either a clockwise or counterclockwise rotation. This method is straightforward and quick, perfect for when you need to make fast adjustments without navigating through the taskbar. Each of these methods provides you with different levels of control and flexibility, allowing you to choose what best suits your needs. Whether you prefer the manual precision of the rotation handle, the structured options under the Format menu, or the quick access provided by the right-click menu, Google Slides makes it easy to rotate text and enhance your presentation's design. And there you have it. With these techniques in your toolkit, you can effortlessly manipulate text orientation to create more engaging and visually interesting slides. Remember, practicing these methods will make you more efficient, so take some time to play around with each one and see what works best for your specific projects. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Slides tips.